Okay.
Okay. Ready? Okay. Hi there, this is Charlotte Jacobs from RejuvenateYourPractice.com, and I just had the most fabulous experience of working with Lori Hart to have my makeup done for this event. Now, Lori does so much more than makeup. Yes, it's an experience of having customized colors done exactly for your skin, exactly for your face, so you just look like a movie star and look fabulous, and I just felt so pampered and so taken care of. And she's just a wealth of education. So I learned so much about how to take care of my skin. It was like I got this whole, experience rather than just getting my makeup done, which I've done in the past. So I highly recommend, if you're a woman and you're an entrepreneur and you're a speaker or you have some reason to be on camera or on stage, I can't recommend her highly enough. I go and check out Lori Hart and work with her, and you will be amazed at what